Hello guys, today is day 8, our learning English journey next 90 days. So today we're gonna practice our English way here. Speak English normally, fluently, without not afraid of mistakes. So mistakes part of learning English. So we just wanna practice English right here. And we prepare some bunch of questions. We're gonna explain them and speak like a pro. We cannot, but we're gonna try our best and speak English like a native speaker. We hope so. I don't know. So let's get started. Please watch the video until the end. Subscribe, like, and write down beautiful comment and join us our English learning journey. So right here, the first question we prepare some bunch of questions. So I'm gonna answer those questions and explain them without struggling. So let's get started and practice English together. The first question we get right here is what is your favorite thing to do when you feel tired? What is your favorite thing to do when you feel tired or exhausted? Exhausted and tired is same word. So what is your favorite to do when you feel tired? The question is right here. For me, when I feel tired, what is my favorite thing to do is sometimes I go out, or maybe when I go out for work, and when I back at home, yeah, I must be tired. So what I do the first is maybe first I lie down my bed and I try to watch a movie, or I try to sleep, take a nap, or sleep a little bit shorter, or I try to maybe make a tea and drink it, make myself a bit energy. I want to eat something like drink energy, maybe water, maybe tea, well, everything like I would love to. Yeah, that's what I do when I feel exhausted or tired. So yeah, the question is done. I think. What do you think of that explanation? The next question here is a bit funny. I don't know why I get this question, but it's really funny. So this question is: if dogs could text on a phone, what message would they send to human beings? Oh, let repeat this question. Let repeat. If dogs could text on a phone, what message would they send to human beings? So that means if the dogs using phone and they text message, what kind of text they would send to human beings? I don't know. I never even raised dogs. I just see people raising dogs kind of stuff, but I would say maybe they would send the human beings. What would that be? They would say maybe please be loyal to us like we do, because dogs they are a bit loyal and they will follow the rule. Man, I don't know. Also, like maybe they would say, please give us good energy to work you to serve you very well. I don't know. I think that is what they would say. So right here we got one more question. What would you rather live in a big city or a small town? What would you rather live in a big city or a small town? So we're gonna compare those stuff, those city. So small city or a big city or a small town. The difference is when you live in a small town, you get nature, you're close to nature, and it's a bit calm. The environment is not noisy. It's a bit charming. So, but you cannot get what you can get when you are living in a big city. Maybe quality internet, maybe other supplies like other stuff like so many things. You cannot get the small town. So let's compare to big city. The big city, when you live in a big city, you can get a powerful internet, a lot of supplies there, and also maybe you can go to the park if you need a bit nature, but it's always screaming and a lot of noisy. So for me, I prefer to live a big city. Yeah, of course, I would love to live a big city, maybe. So let's move another question right here is, what food do you never get boring of eating? What food you never get boring of eating or eating? Speak English like British. Okay. What food you never get boring of eating? So that food would be, I'm not good at eating food really, but I would love to eat. I'm not eat snacks well. People when they doing something, they eat snacks so much. So for me, I would love to. I'm good at maybe fruities. So what fruities I will never get bored of eating would be grapes. I love grapes so much. Sometimes when I watch a football match, maybe match is 90 minutes. So when you watching 2 hours just a match, you need to maybe eat something. So I buy 1 kg of grapes and will I eat before the first half. So I think grapes is my favorite, and I'm not get boring if I eating grapes. So the last question right here is, if I could visit any country, no, it is if you could visit any country in the world, where will you go where will you go first? The last question is gorgeous. So if I visit any country in the world, where would I go first? So we get away here so many countries. In my favorite country would love to be China, Switzerland, uh, Singapore, maybe Singapore. What else? Like I say China, right? India. What else? Like a lot of country, big country has so many historic. I would love to visit, but I'm gonna choose Singapore. That's my favorite one. I really love that country. I would love to visit. So Singapore is my favorite country. What would you love to go if you get a chance to go in the world? Which country would you go first? That is the question. Write down the comment. And guys, the videos end. The questions end. That was the questions. Rate our explanation of those questions 1 or 10, what you give those explanations, and write down the comment. And see you guys next video, 9 days. Next tomorrow we're gonna be day 9, so watch day 9 video. We're gonna upload tomorrow. So today is day 8, our English learning journey challenge. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and join us, and let's get learn English together. So my English level is B1 between B2. Tell us your English level at the comment. See you next video. Bye.